If you just look at both the demographics of the country, our fiscal position as far as debt, our overall tax revenues, and then the political climate of the country, I think in all likelihood taxes are going higher for some people and staying the same for others. I don't see taxes going lower. So then it's about what steps can you put in place. And for those of you familiar with us, you know that a lot of times we reference the tax triangle, right? And that's basically that in retirement you have three different pools of money that you can pull from. There's a tax-free pool, a taxable pool, and a tax-deferred pool. And each of these is treated very differently, where the assets in the tax-free pool, as they grow, that money, both that you put in as well as gains, can come out tax-free, although you didn't get a tax break for putting money in, and there are rules and restrictions on putting money in. That taxable pool's the most flexible, but it's also the only one where the taxation of it can vary widely, depending on whether you get the special long-term capital gains rates or whether it's taxed as ordinary income. And then that tax-deferred pool, where a lot of people concentrate their savings, which seems like a really good idea to get the instant tax break when you put the money in. The problem, though, is that when you do that, you wind up in partnership with the Internal Revenue Service, because as your money grows, their money grows, and over time, their slice of what you have is increasing. When you take money out, it's taxed as if you were at work, and so if you want to live a similar lifestyle in retirement, you wind up in the same or higher tax bracket. So what we've discovered is that if for a lot of people, the key to a successful retirement is A, getting that required rate of return, setting up a portfolio they can live with, and then B, placing appropriate assets in these different pools, navigating the kind of the insanity around the different rules and regulations and the constant proposals we're getting from Congress around who can and can't contribute to these accounts, in order to make sure that you've got tax diversification going into retirement, so that if taxes do go higher, you're still okay, you've got control over your future.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.